UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson could be the chief guest at India's Republic Day parade in 2021, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi extending an invitation to his British counterpart last month. If Johnson accepts, he will be the first British PM to grace the Rajpath parade in 27 years. The last UK Premier to be the chief guest at January 26 parade was John Major in 1993. As per the reports, Modi formally invited Johnson during a telephone conversation on November 27th, while the latter reportedly invited the Indian Prime Minister to the G7 summit to be held in United Kingdom next year. The British High Commission is yet to confirm the development. We can't confirm one way or another. PM Boris Johnson is keen to visit India as soon as possible, news agency ANI quoted a British High Commission spokesperson as saying. Reports of the invitation extended to Johnson come on a day when UK became the first country in the world to approve the COVID-19 vaccine developed by US drug maker Pfizer and its German partner BioNTech, with the rollout set to begin early next week. As the protest intensifies, farmer leaders have shown no signs to relent. Darshan Pal, president of the Krantikari Kisan Union, called for burning of effigies throughout the country to protest against Modi government and corporate houses on December 5. On the other hand, kabaddi players, wrestlers and popular Punjabi singer Ravinder Grewal were part of the farmers' sit-in at the Singhu border on the Delhi-Chandigarh route, where the Bharatiya Kisan Union and other farmers' unions have been protesting since November 26. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal today took on his Punjab counterpart with his party line that Congress's Amrinder Singh has joined hands with the BJP and is upset that the Aam Aadmi Party government has not converted the 9 stadiums in the city to open jails. Aam Aadmi Party had earlier said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi was upset over the issue. Aam Aadmi Party's Punjab unit has said that Punjab Chief Minister is being controlled by PM Modi. The Punjab CM has made allegations against me that I have passed black laws in Delhi. How can he do such a low-level politics in this fragile situation? It is not up to the state governments to implement it. Had it been so, why would farmers of the country hold talks with the centre? Kejriwal was quoted as saying by news agency ANI. A former High Court judge, C.S. Karnan, was arrested today over offensive comments he allegedly made against women judges and wives of judges, which were posted on YouTube. The ex-judge was arrested by the Chennai police. He had allegedly made defamatory and offensive comments against Supreme Court and High Court judges, the wives of judges, and uploaded them online. The Madras High Court had recently come down heavily on the police for not acting in the case. China has started importing Indian rice for the first time in at least 3 decades due to the tightening supplies and an offer from India of sharply discounted prices, Indian industry officials told Reuters. India is the world's biggest exporter of rice and China is the biggest importer. Beijing imports around 4 million tons of rice annually but has avoided purchases from India, citing quality issues. The breakthrough comes at a time when political tensions between the two countries are high because of a border dispute in the Himalayas. For the first time, China has made rice purchases. They may increase buying next year after seeing the quality of Indian crop, B.V. Krishna Rao, who is the president of the Rice Exporters Association, said.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.